Okay, here we go. It is Monday, April 15th, so it is tax day for those that pay taxes, which I'm sure is not you guys, but it is your parents. We are looking at the objective. Board will be updated in a minute. Looking at the objective, I can explain what is happening before, during, and after a collision between two objects using scientific vocabulary. Last week we looked a lot at collisions. We actually were crashing those Matchbox cars into each other, kind of exploring how that would go. Looking at how they bounce off of each other. Today we're going to be kind of expanding upon that a little bit. We are going to be going ahead and defining 4 words to start off with. And then as we go forward from there, we are actually going to be looking at crumple zones. So we got a guy coming up. He's got a funny accent. He's an Australian guy, so one of the things I want to point out, when he's talking about a car, he's going to take a look under the bonnet at one point. The bonnet is the hood of the car here in the United States, but because he is an Australian guy, he uses the Queen's English term for it, so they do call it the bonnet. So what we're going to start off with today, we are going to be defining the words force, motion, mass, and acceleration. We're going to be using the blue textbooks over there on the shelf. There's a half class set, so we're going to be working with shoulder partners. And then using our vocabulary that we learned, we're going to actually be creating a sketch to model what our collisions looked like in last week's lab. Being sure to label the cars A and B, and drawing those driver's ed cars. I think I still have a picture of those. Nope, I took it down. So drawing the driver's ed car, where it actually kind of looks like a little arrow like this. These ones here. Using those driver's ed car and using arrows to show which direction the car might actually be moving if it's a moving car. We draw the driver's ed car to face the direction that the hood of the car would actually face. So that's what we're doing with that. So that is where we were at. Like I said, we're going to be defining the words force, motion, mass, and acceleration. So that is today's bell ringer. It's written up on the board, and so we're going to go ahead and start there.